So yan guys, nakita nyo naman, nag-iba yung view, mas lumayo tayo dahil lumipat tayo dito sa pinakatuktok. Kasi nga, 12:30 yung pinili nating show, so trick na trick yung araw, inabutan yung pwesto natin doon. Kaya nandito kami ngayon. So yun, napuno yung tao, grabe ang dami. Yan, tapos na yung bird show and next na ngayon yung Sea Lion show. While waiting, si Wisa, ayan. Pulang-pula siya sa init. So ayan guys, makikita niyo ito yung parang water adventure nila na bago. Kasi yan, nandito tayo. Kanina nandito tayo banda. Siguro mga nasa pang-apat, kaya lang umabot na yung araw doon. And syempre, ayaw nating masunog, wala tayong payong. Hindi katulad ng iba. Kaya advice ko sa inyo kung pupunta kayo dito at manonood ng show, pumili kayo dito sa may bandang gitna. So ayan na, mag-start na yung show. Masyado na maingay, hindi nyo yata ako naririnig. Panoorin nyo na lang yung mga susunod na clip. Maraming salamat guys.
Wisa, stand up. Nakikita niya ba? Sa upuan.
Say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called feet or feather-footed manlamas? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Maybe bunch is feather-footed. But when chasing your prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a bird without move. Ready, Aya? 25 miles per hour. Wow! Look at that. That is so fast. Alam mo sa first time, Aya? That's the best. Ooh, nice slide. Asking for it. Now, here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy asked 70 of them to take part in a special operation? Yeah, that's right. They're able to be end so. And since they cannot be taken by the way underwater, they are taught their guys in the void underwater mass. Ayla, are you ready? Ready and salute. Now let's march. Ready guys? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! This time, could the bridge generally salute? In a count of 3, everybody will salute and make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Sea lions are also users and they recover equipment from the water. So players, at first, the reef. Go ahead and get reef, man. And they got it, man. They got it, and I'm Anua, we are asking for it. What's next? The ball. How do you take it? The ball. It's a ball balance. Perfect release. Almost there. Come on, Aya. Careful. It's up, Aya. Come on, DJ.
Wisa.
Fantastic. Great job, buddies. Now this time, who would like to get that number from our Sea Lion friend? Hey guys, where's the enemy? Would you love to see them dance?
isa. Clap.
Another person with experience actually for that way. That's number. This to me.
Di wag.
We what you are doing. Spending afternoon. Spend what up with your conference. The software machine and vision and arena. And result that in a building. You will take up some response from our library machines. Please approach the program reader at the exit and again. Thank you for watching.
Yay!
Oh, kamusta ang iyong Sea Lion and Bird Show? Nag-enjoy ka ba? Galing ba yung Sea Lion? Gusto mo mag-swim kasama ng Sea Lion? Ayaw mo, bakit? Dance na lang kayo ng Sea Lion. Can you dance? Yes or no? Ayan, habang nagpapalipit tayo ng tao. Pero na, masabay-sabay magsisigaan. So medyo madami pang tao guys, no? At hindi tayo sasabay dyan, syempre. So maya-maya konti. Dahil yan, nakita nyo naman. Si Mami, sabi matapon. What happened? Oh, tingnan mo, natapunan ka na. Mga birds and trainers, yay. Kudos. Ano? Titingnan niya. Hala, tukain ka dyan. Hala. Babay ka na sa mga birds.
Bye, bird. Bye, bird.
Bye, Sassy.
Sassy girl. So beautiful.